about Heathers the Musical is that it's a hilarious dark comedy.
Is the kick-ass lady singing.
Heathers is I go back to high school.
Heathers because it reminds us that there was something before Mean Girls. Tina Fey, where did you get the idea from?
I think people will relate to Heathers the Musical because it showcases the dark and scandalous side that everyone wishes they could express but are too scared to.
Because it's a very funny dark comedy, but it's also about, for everyone, how we come of age in this, with all the social issues of the modern age.
It's also really thought-provoking. It's really profound, and there's a lot of really cool underlying messages that I think a lot of people will walk away with and think about.
We need help covering the cost of our incredibly huge salaries.
We need help covering the cost of my wig.
Heathers the Musical lets you return to high school, but from a pretty safe situation. You are going to be in the audience. You're going to enjoy and see and feel all of us students having to have name-calling, bullying, and sexism, and a whole bunch of other issues that teenagers have to deal with today. So come on down and enjoy.